Hi, this is Nicholas with Zenith Design Build. I'm joined here with Andrea and Nathan Blake, where we're going to talk about their experience throughout the project that we did for them. So if you wouldn't mind, let's get started with why did you guys what did you guys want to do your remodel project?
We just bought our house. It's an older house, and we knew coming in that the deck needed to be replaced. It was structurally unsound, and so there were a few different kind of thoughts we had. We could just do kind of a small project, or we could kind of replace the whole thing, and started talking with different contractors, different options to kind of give it an idea of what how deep we wanted to get in there. Mm-hmm. And so we decided that it made sense right now. We're at the start of our family being in this home to really go for it and make it a place where we can really enjoy that space for years, hopefully. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and so after you guys decided you wanted to do a remodel, then you reached out to us based off of, I believe it was a Facebook friend, and then we had the initial consult, so we met with you guys, went through all of your design aesthetic needs and wants, because you were trying to figure out how far you wanted to go with the project. And then from there, we went to the proposal meeting. So we presented the pricing, and then we also presented some options. So then from there, you guys had the choice on, and as you talked to other contractors, you guys had the choice to figure out who did you want to go with. So why did you guys decide you wanted to go with Zenith?
Mm-hmm. I think it was clear that it was the most unique and different bid that we had. All the other bids that we had were pretty standard decking concepts. There was nothing particularly unique about it. We liked the design, and we felt like it went well with kind of the aesthetic of the house and what we were going for. And we were pretty excited that we found something so unique.
Yeah, I thought you did a good job of, as Andrea just said, looking at her house and then trying to match the deck with something that was more distinctive than we were getting from other folks. I will say you also did a nice job of, I think we were pretty clear with our budget up front, and even though you presented some options that made it kind of more expensive and we ended up going that direction, you came in right around where we had kind of wanted to be, which was nice, and not everybody did that.
Yeah, nice. And so as you just said, I presented three different options, right? There was kind of a good, better, best, or kind of just different designs that aesthetics you could go with. And you guys went with the one that was by definitely the coolest one, and provided something that did kind of match this unique aesthetic to the rest of your house, because you have these concrete countertops in your kitchen and these more IKEA cabinets and some very, very cool kind of curated design on the inside. So what was the deciding factor, or why did you guys decide to go with that particular design versus maybe something that was more common or cheaper or less expensive?
For me, it was one big thing, in addition to looking cooler, was that it was less maintenance. Mm-hmm. So I just know my time limitations, and even with Trex or something like that, we've had that decking before, and it still requires some attention, and we were more confident about the surface that we got. It would last a little longer.